Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today. And many of you have probably seen this famous couple that I have been sharing with you over and over again. I've already completed the wedding, I completed the church, and this is after the reception. They have reserved a hotel, and here they are. This is one of my doll houses, which has amazing balconies. I placed it in there to give you a little continuation of their wedding. So I hope that you are enjoying these little continuations, because there will be more and they will all be totally different. So I hope that you have enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.